We got a Monday street closure. They got this crane up here. It's been here for about, I guess, 3 hours. The street is closed on both sides, but I've seen cars going through their blockade. So they're doing a terrible job of keeping cars out. I'm not really sure what they're erecting, if they are doing that. There's no evidence of work. They are retracting the crane right now. You see that? So maybe they are done. No, well, they stopped. A guy just standing around doing a damn thing. Nice day though, very warm.